control review. We did the bench press. Now we're gonna do side to side and a little bit more with the bench press. If he bench presses me, I don't need to give him a structure to push on. So just without even doing this, if I just relax and move my shoulders, he falls. If I do it while he's pushing, and I'm not even using my leg hooks. If I use my leg hooks, it's worse. Go ahead. I just don't let him push up. That's a little more advanced. So then we talked about side to side, and if he pushes me off to the side, I don't want to get thrown off. If he's a big, strong guy, that would be bad. So if I'm late, I may end up catching with my hand. This arm will go out wide with my arms, and I need to move this back because I want to have a tight hug with this arm, and I want my head to be over his. The other thing I want to do is the way I'm going, I open that knee a little bit, but I still keep the leg hook. The back leg hook hooks even harder, and then I twist my chest the way I don't want to go. So he's launching me that way. I want to pin this back hip down. So I move my chest and I look that way. He switches, I switch all of those things. Try and get me off. The more I twist, the more it pins the back hip down. Okay? So back and forth. Okay? And then we talked about barrel roll. So if this untrained person just tries to roll, which will happen, especially if I start working him, or he feels some pressure and he can't breathe, he'll try to get up on all fours. First thing that'll happen is this hand has to cross my center line. That's my cue. As soon as this hand starts to cross the center line, the way he's pointing, I'll take that foot and I'll bring it up, and then I'll use my hands in a 45 and I'll let him go, and I'll slide my knee to the top and the back of his head. Modified mount. Now I'm off him, I'm not sitting up on him, off him, behind him, and I'm squeezing in. And now if he wants to keep rolling, I just let him. I may take the back, I may take back mount if he goes farther. So come back. I'm in my low mount, I see the hand cross the center line, and I'm so low, he's not gonna be able to do that easy. So I can control that motion. If he can't get this hand through, he can't roll. Try to roll. So when I'm ready for him to roll, I'll let that hand go through. Okay? All right, let's rep that.